Assalamu alaikum. This is lecture 2 of our series of lectures, correct use of modal verbs. In this lecture, we will learn some more things about the use of modal verb. Now, with the screen before you, with modal verbs, we do not inflect the third person. Means, in the present indefinite tense, we use s or es with third person pronoun he, she, it. But while we use modal verb, where we use modal verbs, we do not use s or es with modal verb. He must go. This go has been used without s or es. If we do not use must, this expression would be he goes, she eats, I speak, it's, it rains. So, in present indefinite, we use s or es with he, she, it. But when we use modal verbs, we do not use s or es with the modal verbs. They are followed by a bare verb. Like this, go. They are negated by adding simple not. He must not go. Usually in the present indefinite, it should be he does not go. I do not go. It does not work. But with modal verbs, we use simple not to make negative statements. In interrogative, they are inverted with the subject to form a question. Must has been used before he. The places of subject and modal verb are inverted. Simple. We do not use any other words with modal verbs to make interrogative sentences. Similarly, these verbs with these modal verbs do not have any past form. Must I go? We always use first form of the verb, whatever the condition, in whatever sense we are using them. We are referring to the past or we are talking about the present. We will always use first form of the verb with these modal verbs. Now, there are two words written on your screen. You can see need and there. Both of these words are modal verbs. When we are in a position of authority to give permission or to remove obligation, we can use need and dare. I repeat, authority. When you are using them authoritatively, and you are going to give an authoritarian statement. They are also used in negative expressions. She need not bring the fire. Someone is exonerating or removing the obligation of another person that she need not bring. Someone is removing the obligation, so need has been used. She dare not ask me a question. Some person of authority is questioning someone. How can she dare to put me a question? Although I dare say has become a fossilized expression or archaic one, has not been used in use now, but you may see writing or speaking by the people, they use it sometimes. So it may be used like I dare say, I dare say need is used in negative expression and dare is used in both negative and positive statements. Need and dare are also used as main verbs. They are used as modal verbs also. Modal verbs, we can use them like, but they are also used as main verb. She needed to explain. Here, it has been used as a normal main verb. Now, you can see the difference between the main verb and the modal verb. If need here may have been used as a main verb, it should contain s because with third person, he, she, and it in present indefinite tense we use as or es with first form of the verb. One thing. Secondly, as it is a negative expression, here it should be she does not need to bring the files. In that case, it may not remain the modal verb, it will become a main verb. As it has been used as a modal verb and showing authority, so S has not been used with need and need has been used here as modal verb. Similarly, she dare not ask me a question. If there has been a main verb, it should contain as first thing, as it is a negative expression. So it should come, she does not dare ask me a question. Both these things are not followed here. The normal tense structure has not been followed here. That clearly mentions that they are not a main verb here, they are modal verb. They are used as modal verb. This is the difference between the modal verb and the main verb. I did not dare speak. So, did not has been used with dare it as a main verb. We use a simple not to make negative statements when we use modal verb. Here, did not has been used to make a negative statement. So, it is not a modal verb here. This is the basic difference between the verb and the modal verb. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here for third lecture of correct use of modal verb. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.